Hi everyone, good morning. Today we are starting our first cereal cooking with kids nutrition class. Today our recipe is strawberry banana almond milk overnight oatmeal. We will use chia seeds.
Almond milk.
Yes.
Oats. Yogurt. Banana.
And mason jar, bowl, and the spoon, and measure spoon. Okay, we start with the oat. How many we need? We need 2 half cup. 2 half cup. This is half cup. We need another half cup. Can you pour it? Can you do it? Okay, I will pour it out. Okay. Thank you. And then we'll need little seeds, 1 tablespoon.
This one?
A little bit more.
Okay, maybe a full.
Yeah, a full spoon. Yes, that's right.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you, Fiona. And then we will need 1¼ spoon of almond milk. Okay. Sophie, this is yours. This is 1 cup. This is a 1/4 cup. We will fill it in and you will pour it into the bowl, okay? Okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Then can you stir it a little bit, Fiona? Oh, Sophie likes to do it. Okay, let Sophie do it. And then I will need your help.
Mom can me.
And I will borrow the spoon.
And then
Get the yogurt. How much the yogurt is? This is a half cup of yogurt.
we need another little milk in here.
Okay.
And another here.
Okay. And you put it in. This is a half cup of yogurt. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Okay. And then we'll mix it.
So maybe I should mix it. But now there's too much things.
Yeah, a little bit. Hold on. Sophie will help you hold the bowl, okay? Gentle.
We'll mix it out though. Otherwise the jars won't be full.
Yes. Now we'll put the banana.
Who likes banana?
Okay. Can you cut it?
Okay.
Oh, that's okay. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, a little bit more. Then we'll save some. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Smash.
Now maybe I should.
Hold the bowl and smash.
You're hurting me.
Oh, sorry. Smash. Okay.
Hey.
Mix.
I just licked
Mix.
Mom, I just licked it.
Okay. Smash. Don't steal my food. It's for tomorrow morning, okay?
I know.
Okay, now we'll put it to the mason jar. Thank you, Sophie. Big spoon. Another big spoon. Okay. You do it. Yeah, good job. Ooh, that's a big spoon. Yeah, thank you, Sophie.
Maybe I should.
Maybe. Can you let your sister do it? Thank you, Fiona. Thank you, Sophie. Okay, thank you so much. and we will eat it tomorrow morning, okay?
Now it's your turn.
Oh, that's my turn.
Because there's not that much. I guess we need more.
That's okay. We don't need the food. Okay. Okay, eat it tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow. Hi everyone, we're back. Today we are opening our oatmeal from yesterday. We made it yesterday and today we will enjoy it. Okay, Fiona, can you scoop out whatever you want to eat today? How much you want to eat?
One,
1,
2,
2,
3.
okay. Sophie, how much you want to eat? 1,
Too small.
2, and 3. Do you want more? Huh? No? Okay. Now you can decorate your oatmeal with strawberry. How many pieces of strawberry you want to put on your oatmeal? 1, 2. Oh, Sophie, you take 2. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Please count it, okay? 3, 4, 5. Oh, you only want 4? Okay. Your sister wants 6 already.
9.
Okay, 7. That's it? Okay. Okay, you can add more. 5, 6, and 7.
Make my own.
Okay. Okay, let's go enjoy it. Say bye to everyone.
Bye, everyone.